house sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
How's the song go again? How's the song start again? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, morning. Yeah, ready to draw? Show them your drawing. Boss want be one cartoonist, you know. So here is illustration.
So this is me, Superman. I can't really see good, and this is Ace. Batman.
You're not sure good. You're not sure good for that, you know.
Not really sure.
Yeah. And we're having breakfast. Show you breakfast. Grandma set you up good, you know. Come rally. Rally food. We show him plate, you know. You show me, you know. Yeah, some tin mackerel and fried dumpling. Eat up, Reggie. I read your favorite, you know, so you don't know. I'm going to get in favorites because yesterday he had a rough day, but we also had a blessed day yesterday too, don't it?
Yeah.
So yesterday, guys, in case you did not watch the live, I'm going to insert one clip right. I'm going to insert the clip now.
Honor your name, deliver your mercy. If Rajesh should fall, you lift him up. Glory to thee, O God. Our Redeemer, saving grace. I know I'm not worthy to see your face. I try hard, but I make mistakes. You're by Raj's side every step that he take. Through every heartache, and you get the praise. You are my guide, I'm a shield always. Every time me a gaze, playing hard days. You still show mercy, keep Rajay safe. Lord, I pray. Enough love goes out, see? Message.
So when more everybody will tune in over from my platform as it Bill and Bill, at least more will donate something over it. I don't care how much it is. The more you can donate, would appreciate it. But we now watch your pocket. We just want to save the youth alive. You understand me? Me a parent. And I swear to you, if me in another situation, I would have want everybody, me CMR, would have want everybody to donate too. You understand me? So more everyone of my supporters and everybody who they here. More want to come over and just donate something to the whether I want to do it through Cash App, PayPal, you have PayPal, NCB.
No, we don't have no PayPal.
Oh, no PayPal. Sorry guys. NCB
People, Jamaican people rally around we, you know. Jamaican people rally around we, you know. Foreign people rally around we, you know. Similar. I have to add similar. I cannot not add similar. Similar. Listen, my brother, do weird. Auntie Kerry. Jesus. How we gonna tell you no thanks? We can't tell you no thanks, no? We don't know if it's a thanks, God, no, because it is. Thanks is not a word where really encompass the feeling.
Find one different.
But if you find one different word for it.
If you find one different word, it's still not gonna match up.
Still not much up.
Still not gonna match up with you.
We are so grateful. People come out and people donate. We were able to rally and get some other persons on board. Swiss Lee, Raja, Able Boss, Denier, TJ, Beauty. Johnny, you always remember Beauty still, you know? You always remember. I'm not telling a lie, I read that. Who again? Rebel come on for a little while too. And she get TC and she get Romish for donate too. No, Leon Bailey, they say Leon Bailey, I go donate, you know, donate and see it. You donate already? Oh, it will take for me seat Monday. Well, when I watch the vlog, yeah. A Sunday vlog this? I think a Sunday vlog this. Yeah, Sunday vlog this. People, we are beyond grateful. We're happy, we're thankful. We just give God praise from yesterday. We just give God praise because trust me, what happened is nothing short of a miracle. Nothing short of God in night. A God in night. God in night. God a fee night. Why? Chata go. But I'm hungry too. I'm hungry car. You know what? Yesterday was so great that even last night I reach home. Me never been hungry, you know? You didn't hungry, Al?
I'm very full.
My belly full. It's like me gone to bed. Happy. Happiness full up my belly till me never hungry. Me just want to drink water and go lay down sleep. I mean, I tell you, say, for the first time in the longest while I sleep when I lay down. For the first time in the longest while,
You don't have to worry.
I don't have to worry. I go on my bed and I sleep, Rajay. What I say?
Sleep.
For the longest while. I don't toss and turn. I sleep till I dream. Because I tell them say I dream. So I have 2 more pregnant and pregnant. Yeah. To show you. Oh, I actually sleep to show you what a restful night I got because of this blessing that I received from you guys. Everybody show up and show out for us and we are so grateful. So super grateful. Eat up your food, yeah, my boy. You go alright. You know you go alright.
I'm just glad to today because I eat.
Yeah, you might eat.
I normally eat after milking.
Yeah, you don't normally eat after. So if Fox in there and I eat, we're grateful. So your grandmother come out and she make him favorite and he might eat. And he might drinking lemongrass tea will help to settle in stomach. Right? We just happy and feel blessed. See there? Lemongrass. We just happy and feel blessed and grateful for everybody. Grateful, thankful, right? I know my belly still full. To all me feel good. To all me feel good. Me not telling a lie. What a day. What a day though. Man, we had to make a video and put it up on the Takins because I think make people them know say we're grateful. So as early we did make a video and put it up on the Takins before we even start go through the day. God is a good God. Alright, let's see what happens today. Want no Ace?
Yeah, I want old water bottle. Just let it go.
If you didn't wait, if you didn't tell me earlier, if you remind me, then Daddy would have gone. And you could have somebody on for wall. Ready?
You know, I use cotton on like, just like wipe you off the foot. Wipe you off her hand the foot.
Ready. Ready? Ready.
Yeah, from that 7 I get shots and all. No, me can't get used to it.
Can I get what?
Used to it. Let me get something to wipe off my hand. Yeah?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Now come on, now come.
There's always the option to the leg, you know.
Mommy, you keep on saying what this now, but
I'm saying to that easy, you would feel it.
No, I'm not saying what up.
You ready? Ready. Don't look. Just don't look. Look at that. Look at that, champ. Look at that. Shake it off. Shake it off.
No, stop shaking.
Shake it. Guys, we keep on telling him to stop with your hand. The hand over the side, if you stop, uncopi.
It will come.
If you continue to so don't think I'm going to stay so. You can't continue to hook up your hand, stop rub it. This, yes sir, a peeling. What I have to go straight down to your titty point.
That hurts.
It a hurt him. But if you continue to set so, it in and I go stay so I think I have to move the hand. Because last week I couldn't lift up my hand so enough. My hand couldn't go up enough.
Because like, it ported that wire did.
The wire did
stuck.
the inside and it's stuck underneath the arm. So I couldn't lift up because you feel it a jog. Right? But now it come out.
So now we can go so.
He can lift it. But he not lift it. He continue to hold it so.
Come on, so you not feel.
It drag what the pain there so.
Yeah.
But brother, you have to move it, and the more you move it, it go start work out and feel better.
I'm going to cut this morning and me take a stretch, you feel it.
Yeah. You have to stretch it out, man. Move it and stretch it out. Yeah. Don't uncup it every time I saw me see ya. Me I see you. Yeah, go so. Just sure you know how move it, hold it in your marina. Don't do that, man.
This morning not so they did do.
No, do that, man. You have to move it, man, so it get moving. More move, it become more flexible again. Watching sweet ballad.
Now make fun of me at school, you know. One boy called me Saitama.
What is a Saitama?
Saitama is an anime fictional character, and he's very strong. He's very strong and he's bald.
It's a compliment. He's saying
And
that
he
you're
said-
strong and bald.
And in superhero name is One Punch
But the
Man.
phone a ring.
They have. I have four.
The question is, have you ever doo-doo,
Let's do it.
poo in the bushes?
Release your-
You ever do that bush?
That time.
I did it once before when the toilet was not working.
Shameless. Shameless people to be.
You never got a bush before?
Who, me?
Yes.
Funny idea, funny.
But I will. Where I left check up my business. Oh God. Yeah, man. When me Johnny me da carry go chemo, but you da sleep in the back seat still. You not remember nothing, cause me da sleep. Me can't go to the doctor one day, no man, and say my belly a hot, my belly a cut me, no man. I say, boy, me a try well, you know, me a try well, and me a say, boy, I don't know if me can make it. Can I make it off the highway? Can I make it? And then when I powerful cut them, you know that cut they will make you start sweat. Me a say, me a say, you know, say me not gonna make it no again. You know, me not gonna make it. And that's some say, alright then, Vanessa, you have to go do it, you know. Just pull off your man, look at things that me have to see you. Just pull off and head over to the corner there so. And handle my business and hurry up. That's why it's good for wear dresses. If you have on pants, it's harder to deal with, you know. Oh my God. Oh God, me shame. Me shame what me don't shame. But I did see what I do.
No.
Shameless, man. Oh God. So, question in the comment section, you know. Have you ever done it in the bush? Doodoo. Have you ever doodoo? A bush. You know that's not the term that they use, right? Some people say they do it a bush and use stone, you know, wipe them bottom. Oh, if you use stone, you have to use trumpet leaf. For them the leaf, they have a fluffiness in it.
Trumpet leaf, I want that.
One leaf and it thick and it broad. Yes, you get good coverage.
Come on, tell them that.
Oh, where you go? Where you go?
What's serious?
Oh God, alright, go and go bed because we have to go for the road.
What's serious?
Because we have to see Milan, Chrissy, Belinko back. So, we're going to bed, Ral. Let me come bed after you. You know we're not going to need for press.
You know, yes, sir.
When already we are got jump.
You don't have to jump up, no. Don't have to come back up.
Not even. The earphone you say you want?
Yeah.
See, so what that?
So when daddy come back, we can go again?
You don't have to go. We can't cash. We can't buy for you.
You should know.
You don't tell me. And you need to take one picture.
Yeah.
We did see you take a picture.
You take a picture.
You're not going on the road. You go and love road.
Please.
Just send the picture to me.
Send the picture to daddy and daddy promised to buy you. Daddy promised to buy you, not me. Okay? Cool? Cool. Alright. Go bed people. Go bed and get ready and for head out because we have to go look some chemo drugs today because need more drugs and we need steroids. Come and get steroids, Roger. You know, see never get none from morning. Bro. Were you trying to avoid it? Reggie,
Until the evening.
why did you want to avoid it? You want to take it in the evening?
Yeah.
No, because I evening shift me up on this week, so you have to take it in the morning. Yes. You were trying to negate the steroids. You just never gonna remind me. You feel good? I know you feel good, but we don't want you to feel bad. Bro, you not did that try though? Whoops, I don't remember. I just sneak it here fast.
No.
Oh my God.
Sneaky until 9 night.
Sneaky until 9 night. You feel good now, but You want to make sure so you continue to feel good. Come on. Come on. You can't, you don't have to take a painkiller then if you're not feeling no pain. But the inflammation one, you have to take that.
Ow.
Hush. Still feel when me touch you, sir?
Yeah.
You have to take the inflammation one and you have to take the steroids. Those are two things that you have to take. Ready? Ready? Alright, let's go.
Lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Just reach on my side. Just reach home. When we say tired, me tired, man. Tired. What's that? Ace, come here. Oh, just reach home from my bottom. It has been a real hectic day, a really long day. We didn't get to do a lot of vlogging because I was using my phone because I was on TikTok live. So because I was on TikTok live with Miller them, I wasn't able to do a lot of vlogging of what we're doing today. But today we really spend the entire day just looking medication, moving from one pharmacy to the next, trying to get some medication. We didn't get everything that we wanted, but Monday's another day, right? Right? Say right. Say right. Give mommy kisses. Give mommy kiss. Love you. Love you. One day I'm saying love me back. Believe no man. One day I'm gonna say it back, man. One day I'm gonna talk back and respond and saying love me back. Yeah. So, and for the persons who are new, this is Ace. This is my Ace. He is 4 years old. He's non-verbal. He's autistic, but he's a true champ. He understands everything that I'm saying. He just don't speak back. High five. Fist bump. Ah. Give me a kiss. Love you. All right. As I said, it has been a hectic day, guys. I'm gonna spend a good time with my little man, you know. My next gentleman out there in the living room. He's not feeling well. Say that he's not feeling well. He's having some challenge. I'm gonna try and see if I can give him some stuff. Boost him back up. Need some steroids. Give him some Kaitril to help with his stomach, and some painkiller. Also, you need some inflammatory thing for his chest. So I have to go bed before we can attend to him. Though we can't attend to him with the germs, because you understand that cancer, especially type where him have, your immune system is really weak. So I have to go bed and then we can go attend to him. I have to go bed and then we can attend to him. So gotta go, and yeah, until we see each other again. Walk good, stay blessed, bye.